ThirdGen YouTube channel.
All right, fellas, we got the 2017 Dodge Ram.
Yeah.
The AutoOne LEDs sent to me by my boy Mike Rogers. We're gonna remove the stock lights and put these new ones in. I don't know how complicated this install process is gonna be. They gave us some instructions here. It looks like we have stock style connectors here, some resistor that we're gonna have to mount somewhere, and they gave us some little push pins, I guess. These are allegedly LEDs. We'll see how they look. You can see them in the sunlight here. They're quite dark. Wasn't quite expecting that, but we'll see how we like them. Oh, there goes our instructions, blowing away in the wind. Here's the stock lights. It appears that we just have two little Torx bits to remove them. And we'll get these in there, wired up, and we'll see how they work. So there was two screws on the side here, two little Torx bits. They're T25s. Then there's two connectors, or two push pins over here that you got to pull out. These ones unfortunately snapped, the stock housing. So that's kind of a bro moment there. But my assistant's working on this one diligently, and I'll get the video of it pulling them out. Fun fact, this one was already broken by the previous owner, so when you took this Torx bits out, it came right out. So that's pretty cool. Now we should only have to undo the connectors and then start putting the new lights in there. Now it does make an important note on the instruction sheet that probably blew away at this point, that we're supposed to secure these resistors somewhere. I don't really know where, but we will put them somewhere because it says they get hot. So we will be putting them somewhere safely. All right guys, so we got the lights wired up here. The connectors don't fit on there very well.
Here, we'll make an example.
So
they don't go all the way on.
Yeah, they don't go all the way on, so we might have to kind of trim something a little bit to fit them on there. It should also be noted that the lights are extraordinarily dim. Online, the pictures don't really look like these are that tinted, but when you get them in person, they're almost black. When you step on the brake, as long as you're in line with the taillight, they're reasonably visible, but if you're off center any bit, they're super dim. So not a huge fan of the actual performance of these lights. We'll see if we can get this connector to be any better, but as of right now, I'm not overly impressed considering these are 250 bucks for the pair. My boy Mike Rogers sent us these to test out, but if you were actually buying these for yourself, I would be extremely disappointed with the actual performance of the connectors here, and then the pretty dim nature of them. So we are putting the little connectors in here. We're sliding them into the channels, and then we're sliding them into the holes, and then we're gonna mount the taillights onto them. Click them into place there. Yep. Pretty nice. Decent fit. They actually fit pretty good.
They do, they fit nice. I
was expecting the gap to be like kind of hilarious, but it's not bad. So then all we should have to do now is put the two T25 Torx bits back in there, and then we should be rocking and rolling.
Yep.
Are they threading in?
Yep, threading in nice.
I think I had those little things lined up okay.
Yep.
Out of the box, they were pretty bad, but you just move them with your finger.
All right.
All right. So now let's do a test and see if they actually work. All right, so we're gonna try to mount these resistors things here somewhere safe.
You want to show that?
We're gonna put them up on the lip way up there. We're gonna use the supplied little clamps here and try to get it in place. See if Magic Man Derek can get them on there. Well, that sounded promising.
Oh, got it.
Is it sturdy on there?
Yep, it's sturdy.
That's good stuff.
Nice.
Yep. So you see the big gold thing? That's what we're playing with there. We got the screws on there, so it should be pretty stable.
So then, basically,
that's how it's gonna look, huh? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looked pretty cool.
All right.
All right.
Let's do the other side.
Yep.
So Derek's gonna get, he's gonna fire the truck up, and we're gonna see how it's working here. That's a turn signal, pretty dim. Turn signal, that's the brakes. Yeah, they're quite dim, but if you get actually in line with them, they're decently visible. Okay. And that's the running light there. It's kind of cool. They're very dim, so we'll have to see how they look at night. But in terms of daylight performance, they are quite dim. But they fit good. Install was pretty easy. The actual quality of the components seems fine. But yeah, they are quite dim. So maybe if they made one with a clear lens, that might be better.
Yeah, or at least like half the dimness.
Yeah, half the tint. But overall, they're pretty decent. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, they fit good. Body line's not terrible. I guess, yeah, the body line's a little tight there.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
Within factory spec.
Yeah, it is what it is, I guess. All right, thanks for watching, guys.